السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معكم أستنا ورا الصالح مهدي من ثانوية العميد للبنات، مجموعة العميد التعليمية العتبة العباسية المقدسة. Hello my students, how are you? I hope that you are fine. Today we are going to have Unit 6 Lesson 7. Our subject for today is career plans. Now my students, please open your students book on page 68. As you can see, we have 4 paragraphs. Now we will read them and then we will answer the questions about these paragraphs. Now we will start with Sarah. I am 14 years old. I think I am quite friendly and hard-working. I passed all my exams last year. At school, I'm good at languages. I'm very good at English and French. I'm not very good at science. When I finish school, I'm going to study French at university because I want to be a translator. Now you will read about Adil. I'm very hardworking and patient. I have 2 little brothers and they never make me angry. At the weekend, I always go and help on a friend's farm because I love working with animals. I enjoy working with horses most. At school, I'm good at biology. I am going to take my last school exam next year. If I get good marks, I'm going to go college to learn how to make sick animals better. I'm going to be a vet. Now we'll read about Khalid. I think I'm quite friendly. At school, I'm good at mathematics, but I'm not very good at the other subjects. I'm very good at making things. We have a lesson in workshop twice a week, and I love it. I make things at home as well, tables, shelves, and cupboards. I'm going to go to a vocational school to train to be a carpenter. Now we will talk about Dania. I'm very hardworking. I'm also very fit and healthy because I do a lot of sports. My favorite school subjects are science and IT. I'm also very good at geography and English. After school, I'm going to study science at university. When I finish studying, I'm going to fly to the moon in a spacecraft. I'm going to be an astronaut. Now we will answer these questions. Find the answers to these questions as quickly as you can in the 4 texts. Now the first question is, who thinks they are friendly? A. B. Hardworking. C. Patient. So the answer is A. Friendly Sarah and Khalid. B. Hardworking Adil and Sarah and Dina. And patient Adil, he is patient. So number 2, who is good at science, mathematics, French, and geography? The answer is Adil and Dina are good at science. Khalid is good at mathematics. Sarah is good at French, and Dania is good at geography. Now the last question, who is going to go to vocational school and university? Vocational school, Adil and Khalid, and university, Sarah and Dania. Thank you so much. My students, when I want to talk about the future, talking about the future, what are you going to do when you finish school? What are you going to do when you finish school? Are going, and we call them future, present, continuous. These are future, and finish, this is a present. Now this sentence is about the future. When I use verb to be plus verb with ing, I'm talking about the future, okay? Something in the future, not now. Now this sentence is about the future, but we always use the present tense in the when part of the sentence. When I use when, I should put present tense. When I use when, I should put a present tense in the sentence, which consists of when. Okay, thank you. Now, since this is examples for you, when I finish my studying, I'm going to travel to England. When I, this is subject, finish, this is present verb, and my studying, this is the complement. The second sentence, I, this is subject, this is auxiliary verb, verb to be, going, verb plus ing, and the complement, to travel to England, this is complement. The second sentence, when Layla finishes her story, when Layla, this is the subject, finish, this is present verb, her story, this is complement, she, subject, is verb to be, going, verb plus ing, and to print it, this is the complement. Thank you. Dear student, this is the rule. When plus subject, verb present without ed, sorry, without ing, just present, okay? Complement, and the second sentence started with subject, also auxiliary verb, verb to be, for example, is, are, and verb plus ing, and the complement. Thank you. Now, my students, please open your activity book on page 86. As you can see, we will have lesson 7, exercise A. Find these words in the text on page 68 and 69 of your student's book and match them to their meaning. Astronaut, carpenter, college, translator. Now, A, somebody who makes things with the wood, B, somewhere to study after finishing school. C, somebody who gives the meaning of something written in another language. And the last one, D, somebody who flies in the spacecraft. Now, these are the answers. Thank you. Now we will have exercise B. This is the draft of somebody's career plan. Correct it and make it better. As you can see, we have many mistakes in this draft, so we correct it like this. Thank you so much. Now this is your evaluation. Talk about the future by using when. I finished my studying. I traveled to England. I finished my studying. I traveled to England. Please try to talk about the future by using when. Thank you so much. When I finish my studying, I'm going to travel to England. Thank you. Dear students, this is your homework. Exercise C. Dear students, as I mentioned before, this is your homework. Please write your own career plan. Make sure you answer these questions. Please try to answer these questions and write a short paragraph about yourself and your career plan. Thank you so much. I hope that you have benefited from this lesson. Thank you for watching and good luck.